Just imagine, how would it be like if all animals were swept away from Earth and only people were remaining? How would this affect us? How would this affect us humans? For me, I think it's a pretty scary thought. If I ever had to imagine myself stepping outside into the world and not getting to hear the birds chirping and humming and realizing there's no other existence of life other than humans, I'd feel sick. On the other hand, there is another group of people who would think, thank God we got rid of a huge burden. But mark my words, one day they will regret making such a heartless statement, and it'll be too late for them to realize how strong our bond is with these animals. A great person once said, without animals, there won't be humanity, a world full of just people, and people will mean nothing. A very pleasant morning to the panel of judges and to all of you who are present today. Animal welfare. In simple terms, it shows the relationship of humans and animals and how humans should protect these animals from cruelty by fostering them kindness and compassion and taking reasonable steps to provide them with their basic needs. Right now, in Sri Lanka, an animal welfare bill has been passed for us Sri Lankans to understand our mistakes and to understand how much we're dependent on these animals. So if we need them so much, then they also need us too in the same way. Let me just brief you on some objectives of this animal welfare bill. One is to recognize the duties assigned for the owners of these animals. Two, to prevent cruelty and to secure the welfare of these animals. And three, to raise community awareness. This is a point, my friend, that we should focus more on. In here, community does not only refer to humans, but also animals and all the other living matters on Earth. Thereby, we can't put ourselves on the line first while leaving these innocent animals behind. We all have to go together and work together as a community. But in here, the real question is, why is this animal welfare bill so important to us? Why are animals so important to us? There are several answers for that. Did you know domesticated animals work really hard to provide us with many things like milk, meat, and so many other things just for us to survive and thrive? If we humans expect to be paid or at least get a personal benefit from a day of hard work, then these animals too deserve the support for the hard work they have done for us to make our lives more easier and to secure our livelihood. Thereby, it's our responsibility to ensure that they also have a good quality of life. Like I said before, animals too are a part of our community. They too feel pain, fear, stress, just like us. So if we have a solution for whatever we are going through, then these animals too have a solution or a remedy for whatever they are going through. And it's up to us to look into these matters and create a healthy and a happy community. Lastly, it's a legal requirement, my dear friends, to look into the needs of these animals. So if you don't do your part for these animals, if you don't do what you have to do for these animals, then it's probably like you're involved in an illegal activity. I'm pretty sure you don't want to be one of them, right? So, the next time, when you see your pet or any other animal on the street, look at them with kindness and treat them as if you are their best companion. Because one day they will remember your act of kindness and come back to you and be your best companion. There's a reason why dogs are considered as man's best friend. Because they will always and always have your back. Finally, a life without animals is like a life without hope.